Trips that you plan for the next whole week. Bands too long for a nigga so cheap and flex so deep. Got it.
I'm a savage, yeah. Classy, bougie, ratchet.
Why don't you get it by now? Tell me what you're learning.
Hey dolls, welcome back to my channel. My name is Marie. For those of you who are new, make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up. Be sure to click on that notification bell so you always know when I upload a video here on my channel. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't already. For today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you all a fall and Thanksgiving makeup look, which is the look that I created here. I'll also be sharing with you all some fall and Thanksgiving holiday outfit ideas that you can wear during the holidays that are coming up, or for Thanksgiving or for fall. I hope you guys enjoy. This is a look that I created today for Thanksgiving or for the holidays, just for fall. If you're interested in seeing how I created this makeup look and also to find out some great holiday outfit ideas that you guys can wear for the holidays, then just make sure you guys keep on watching this video. I already have my eyebrows done. I'm using a BH Cosmetics brush. This is number 129. Blend out the concealer around my eyebrows. If you guys want to see a fully updated eyebrow tutorial, then make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up.
Give it to me like you want it. Did you forget?
And I go back in and I fix my eyebrows. COVID is still going on. I hope you all have a wonderful Thanksgiving holiday or holiday season in general if you don't celebrate Thanksgiving. I'm going to be taking my handy dandy NYX eyeshadow base. This is just my Anastasia Beverly Hills brush. This came in one of the eyeshadow palettes that I have flat in here to apply my eyeshadow base.
Why don't you get it by now? Tell me what you like.
Probably be starting off December with my Starbucks video, and then following Vlogmas, and then another holiday themed video, and then Vlogmas. So you guys will be loaded with holiday videos for next month. So I'm going to be using this eyeshadow palette. This is by Laura Lee. This is the first palette that she came out with. She also has a second one that she just released. It's so pretty. This one is pretty too. Get another one because two of the pans, like, they broke. I had to be careful when opening this. This is the eyeshadow palette that I'm going to use for my look today. This is a palette here. It is so pretty. I love the colors. For my transition shade, I'm going to be taking this shade right here, and this is called Reveal. I'm going to take a BH Cosmetics brush, and this is in number 140. So I'm going to use this shade right here called Butt Naked. I'm going to go in and use this shade right here, and this is called Nakey Nakey. Blend this out a little bit. I'm going to be taking this ColourPop liquid eyeshadow in the shade Rush Hour, and I'm going to apply this on the center of my eye. I'm going to take this shade here called Jaybird, and this is going to go on the center of my eye. I'll be going in with my Fenty Beauty foundation. This is a Pro Filter Soft Matte Foundation. The shade that I'm wearing is 410. Did a full review on this foundation. Of course, if you guys would like for me to do more makeup foundation reviews, make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up, because I was thinking about getting the NARS Soft Matte Foundation, trying it out, giving a review on it. My beauty blender is already damp, and I already put primer on my face. I'm a beauty insider and you haven't started an account yet. All you have to do, walk into Sephora, say, hey, I want to sign up for Beauty Insider. They'll sign you up, they'll give you a Beauty Insider card, and that's how you can start working towards the other tier levels like the Rouge and the VIP. You get points that can get you things to different events, get you things, money off of products, so it's really worth it. Concealer, I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Concealer. The shade that I'm using is in 370. Start under the eye first. Just going to use my finger for the rest. I'm going to put some under my chin, like right here. some down the bridge of my nose. So. Take the Fenty Beauty Pro Filt'r setting powder. This is in the shade Honey, so I'm going to apply it on top of the areas where I just applied my concealer. This bakes for a minute. I'm just going to let it set for just a few. I'm going to go in tidy up my eyebrows. So fix the eyebrows a little bit here. Yeah. And this is just an e.l.f. bookie brush. Love this. It works really good, and it's like $6 I think at Walmart. I like to use a darker yellow setting powders like the Sasha Cosmetics Buttercup, the Fenty Beauty Honey, Laura Mercier powder. I believe it's in Honey. I can't remember the shade, but yeah, those are like my favorite setting powders to use. And I like the Sasha one because there's no flashback. And speaking of which, you're gonna have it on sale on Black Friday, so check it out. This is like my favorite contour to use, and this is the Fenty Beauty Matchsticks, and this is in the shade Espresso. Oh, this is so pretty. I like to use this all the time for contour. Handy dandy beauty blender, and I just get to blending. One makeup product you guys could not go without for the rest of your life? If you have to choose just one makeup product to have forever in your lifetime, what would it be and why? I'm going to be taking my favorites, and this is the Anastasia Beverly Hills AMREEZY highlighter. I'm just going to use this fluffy brush here. This is by Morphe. It's the R36 brush. Look at this highlighter. It's so pretty, you guys. Take a little bit of that Nikki shade and put it under. So for lipstick, I'm going to be using this ColourPop Cosmetics shade Deeper. Take All Natural, and this is going to go in the corner of the eye here. Just going to put this right under here, right under the eyebrow. To this look, I'm going to take my Slay All Day setting spray, which I absolutely love. It will have these on sale during Black Friday. Grwm Cosmetics. The list is down below for all of my products that I use on my face today. This is a cucumber one. Just going to go ahead, give a little shake. First item that I have here is a dress that I got from Fashion Nova. It's super cute. It's a beige sweater dress material. It just has buttons going up and down the dress. It's an off-the-shoulder dress, so this is something that's really cute, nice and warm. Like around the sleeves, it has this ruffly effect, and then around the collar also has a ruffly effect too. Very comfortable. You can easily throw on a leather jacket with this, a fluffy furry jacket. Pair this with like a cute purse, form-fitting, very stylish and cozy and comfortable. This that I have on, knee-high boots that I got from Miss Lola. So this next outfit that I have on, I have this vest that I got from Old Navy, and it is reversible, so you can flip it towards the other side. I also got this white tunic dress, and this is from Fashion Nova. Necklace from Fashion Nova, butterfly necklace. My shoes are from Fashion Nova. The brown on the outside just for a different look here. This is super cute, nice and warm. Even if it is colder, you can put like stockings or leggings on. This is a little bit on the shorter side, as you guys can see. that I have is this really cute crop sweater. I got this from Fashion Nova. I love it. It's so cozy and comfortable, and normally for me, like during Thanksgiving, I'm a sweater person and I love to put on sweaters to be comfortable during the holiday season. But I love this color. Perfect for the fall, perfect for Thanksgiving, perfect for the holiday season. And it's nice and warm, so it won't be cold. And then of course I still have on my butterfly necklace from Fashion Nova. These jeans are from Old Navy. These are just the regular Rockstar jeans. You can wear light jeans, you can wear dark jeans. Dark jeans may go a little bit better. Regular old Rockstar jeans. And then my shoes, I have on some snake print booties. So much for watching. I hope you all got some ideas for outfits that you can wear for Thanksgiving or the holiday season or just for fall in general, and I hope this makeup tutorial was very helpful. If you guys would like to see more makeup videos here on my channel, make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up. If you haven't already, make sure you guys enter my back to school giveaway, which is currently going on right now. It will be ending the end of this month on November 30th. So be sure to check that out. I have another fall video that I'll be working on that will be going up for next week. I'll be sharing with you guys some fall and winter items that Target has and things that you can get to decorate your home with for the holidays. Sharing that experience with you guys, so be on the lookout for that next week. Hope you guys enjoy. I hope you all have a wonderful, happy holiday Thanksgiving season and something to be grateful for this Thanksgiving season. Everything that's going on, there's a lot to be grateful for. Friday will be coming up, so there's going to be a lot of deals for those who are interested or looking forward to shopping. It's also going to be a Thanksgiving Day parade, the Macy's annual Thanksgiving Day parade. It will be airing on TV. I always enjoy watching that. And then they also have a dog competition show where they have a bunch of dogs and it's a dog parade. It's really nice. On channel where they play music the whole day. A few things that you guys can look forward to in the Thanksgiving or during the holiday season. And thank you all so much for watching. I will catch you all in my next one. Bye, dogs.